Okay, so 3 years ago, I created this Notion template that lets you easily track the milk delivery, and it automatically calculates how much is the bill so that you can share it with your partner or the milk person. And in the similar manner, you can use this tracker to track anything that is a daily expense and you have to pay at the end of the month. I just upgraded this with a new version. Now, why it is better than Notion is that you don't require Notion. If you don't use it, that's okay. You can still use this daily expense tracker. Currently, it is only meant for tracking milk, but I will be adding more to it. So, how it works is that when you open it, it opens in a beautiful UI on phone. Looks something like this. Then you tap on any date and select the amount of milk that you get for that day, and it is added, and at the bottom it is multiplied by the rate, which can be set by clicking this gear icon. You go here, you select the currency, the unit rate, and how much you get it, like 0.5 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters. So all this will appear on the home page and you track it, and on the right hand side it will show the total amount. And at the end of the month, what you can do is you can go to the settings area, click on this share button. It will create an HTML file which looks exactly like this, but it will be a log. Like, it will give the total and how much milk you have got for the particular day, so that you can share that file with the milk person, the delivery person, or your partner, and it will be easy for them to know. And if they want to use it for themselves, that HTML file will also act as a tracker. All they have to do is click on this reset button, and this completely transformed into a new fresh app that can be used again. It has 12 months, so after 12 months you can reset and then you can start tracking. Now you can download it from Gumroad. It is totally free to download, and you get the link from techtipper.com/products. There are many more products that I have added on this products page, but if you go to the products, you will find this, and you can click here. It will open the Gumroad page from where you can download this. I really hope you find this useful. I will be creating more such products, so subscribe for more utility apps.